Sarasota police continue to search for two gunmen following a Saturday night shooting. Police say they responded to a report of shots fired shortly after 5 in the 4700 block of David Avenue in North Sarasota. On arrival, they found 31-year-old Richard Halbert of Sarasota laying in the street. He was taken by ambulance to Blake Trauma Center with at least 2 bullet wounds. Sunday, he was in the intensive care unit, expected to survive. The area was quickly locked down as investigators searched for 2 suspected gunmen who were reported holed up in a house near the shooting. At the end of David Road is a duplex. Neighbors tell me that last night police thought the suspect was in the north side at 4749, that one right there. After a thorough search, police say they found no one in the house. A nearby resident was one of the first people to arrive at the shooting scene and says there was a woman with the shooting victim who tried to help.
I drove home. I saw somebody laying out, yelled to her. I was like, what happened? And she was like, somebody shot him. So I parked the car and I ran in the house and I grabbed some towels and I put some pressure on his wound until the ambulance came. And it was absolutely just crazy. I just can't believe that somebody got shot right in front of my house.
Police described the shooters as 2 black males in their 20s, one with a light complexion. Anyone with information on this shooting is asked to call Sarasota Crime Stoppers at 366-TIPS. You will remain anonymous and could get a cash reward up to $1,000.